Hey guys, the manufacturer sent me this electric water filter for free so I can check it out and show it to you. So for this video, I just want to open it up, like I said, and show you what it comes with and show you what it looks like. Just to tell you, I really love the idea of this thing because I love to go camping and out fishing and stuff with my family. And I think it's just a really cool idea to be able to have something with you that while you're out on the water, you can have something to filter it. So just quick show you it. There's the card it has on top. It has some tubing here. And here is the actual filter itself. See, it comes in a zipped bag. So let me open that up so I can show it to you a little better. So up close, you can see USA on it. And then it comes with a couple of bags. So if you're at the water, you want to filter some out and fill up the bags, you can do that and have them to go with you. So that's really cool. And again, it's electric, so it does come with a USB to USB-C charger. And then some other information and packaging info about it, and a really nice carrying case for it. And then just a couple of other small things. I'm not completely positive what they are yet, so I'll check that out a little more, and I'll do another actual demo showing the water being filtered and everything. But again, for this video, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. It feels like a sturdy product, and I can't wait to start using it.